everyone, Scott here from Guitarisgreat. I'm bringing you another easy open chord lesson today. We're doing the faces, ooh la la. Really easy to play, just the D and E minor chords. And you know, you can play it with just the chords, or you can kind of spice it up a little bit and throw in the little melody. Hey, so I really appreciate all your guys' support. All the new viewers has been awesome. Thank you so much. Let's dive in. Okay, so the main part of the song is just the D and E minor chords. The strumming pattern is pretty easy. It's just a down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Alright, so that's about it for the rhythm. And when you're playing the chorus, it just goes like this. Wish that I would know now. G, when I was older. Wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger. Okay, so just throw that G chord in here. And if you're gonna do like an extended solo, we're gonna do a D to G. Alright, so let's do these little melodies and kind of spice up the song a little bit. They're really easy and I think you'll like it. So, for the D chord, when we're going from the D to the E minor, you'll play this in between it. It's just kind of a little fill. We're on the G string, 2nd fret, and we're going to hammer onto the 4th fret and play that 4th fret twice. Okay, and then go back to the 2nd fret. Okay. So we're going to go down to the D string, 4th fret, and play that, and then open D. Okay. E minor. Okay. Okay, and then the other fill is in between the E minor to D. So we're on the D string, 4th fret, play that 3 times, to D string, 2nd fret, okay, and then open D string, 2nd fret, A string, and then open D string. Okay, so again, 4th fret D string, 3 times, 2nd fret D string, open D, 2nd fret A, open D, D chord. Alright guys, well I really appreciate you watching today. If you liked the video, please hit that like button And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. I really appreciate your support, and thank you to all the new subscribers out there. It's so awesome. I really appreciate it. So I got some new lessons coming up here in the future, so please feel free to stop back by. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day.